Numerous industries worldwide depend on the supply of minerals and rare earths underground. Interfaces sensor technologies are helping to revolutionize mining practices, enabling operators to extract, transport, and process valuable minerals and materials with greater efficiency, reduced downtime, and an unwavering commitment to safety. Mining industry engineers and equipment manufacturers need reliable systems to measure force during mining operations accurately. Material handling within mining operations, such as conveyor systems, relies on force measurement to monitor the tension and load on conveyor belts. Load cells can be installed on mining shovels, drag lines, and excavators to measure the load on the buckets or booms. The data from interface measurement solutions helps operators optimize their structural supports, digging, and lifting processes, reduce wear and tear on equipment, and prevent overloading, which can lead to costly downtime and maintenance. Interface force and torque measurement products help in the extraction and processing of metals, coal, oil shale, gemstones, limestone, chalk, dimension stone, rock salt, potash, gravel, and clay. Interface sensors are integral to ensuring the safety of mines, including underground, open surface, placer, dredging, high wall, and mountaintop. Our measurement instruments are essential in meeting the rising safety requirements of the mining industry and significantly improve the quality and reliability of mining equipment.